In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email list from scratch using ConvertKit. We'll walk through creating a simple but effective sign-up form, connecting it to a free incentive, and then quickly talk about how to promote it and nurture your new subscribers. First, log into your ConvertKit account. At the top of the dashboard, look for the main navigation and click on Grow. From the drop-down menu, choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is where you'll manage all the ways people can join your email list. Inside this section, click the button that says Create New. ConvertKit will ask how you want to gather subscribers. Choose Forms. Next, you'll pick a display format. You'll see options like inline, modal, slide in, or sticky bar. Any of these will work, but for this walkthrough, choose inline, since it's the most straightforward and easy to embed on a page. You'll now see a collection of form templates. Browse through them and pick one that matches your brand style or feels simple and clean. Click Choose on the template you like and it will open up in the editor. Now it's time to customize your form. Start with the headline. Make the headline clearly communicate a benefit. Instead of something generic like join my newsletter, try a result-focused line such as get weekly tips to grow your business or learn how to write better emails in 5 minutes a week. Below that, add a short description. Keep it to 1 or 2 sentences. Give a little more context about what people will get and why it's worth signing up. Emphasize ease, speed, or value. For example, you might say, join my free list and get practical, no fluff tutorials you can apply right away. Next, edit the button or call to action text. Avoid vague words like submit or sign up. Instead, use clear, action-oriented phrases that repeat the benefit, such as send me the tips or get the free guide. This small change can make a big difference in conversions. You'll notice the form already includes an email field, and it's required by default. If you want to collect more information, like a first name, click the plus icon below the email field. This will add another field that you can customize using the editing options on the right sidebar. Be careful not to add too many fields, since shorter forms usually convert better. When your form looks good, go to the top right and click Settings. A pop-up will appear. On the left side of this pop-up, click Incentive. Make sure the option to send the incentive email is enabled. This email is what people receive right after they confirm their subscription. At the bottom of this panel, you'll see 2 ways to deliver your incentive. You can either add a URL that redirects subscribers to a specific page, like a thank you or download page, or you can attach a file directly, such as a PDF guide or checklist. Choose the option that best matches what you're offering, then click Save at the bottom right of the pop-up. Once you're happy with everything, click Save and Publish in the top right corner of the editor. After that, click Embed. ConvertKit will show you different ways to add the form to your site, such as a simple code snippet you can paste into a page or blog post. If you don't have a website, you can still share the form's direct link on social media or in other online profiles. To start growing your list, promote your sign-up form consistently, add it to key pages of your website, share it on your main social platforms, include it in your email signature, or even test small targeted ads if that fits your strategy. Focusing on one main promotion channel at a time can make it easier to measure what's working. Finally, once people subscribe, don't leave them hanging. Create a short welcome sequence of 3 to 5 emails. Use these emails to deliver value, share helpful tips, and give subscribers a sense of who you are and how you can help them. Gradually introduce your products or services, but always lead with value. Email is most powerful when you use it to build trust, not just to push sales. And that's how you build an email list from scratch using ConvertKit, from creating your form to delivering an incentive to turning new subscribers into loyal fans.